Gabardine is one of the world's strongest and most elegant fabrics, trusted for suits, uniforms, and iconic trench coats. Originally popularized for luxury outerwear, gabardine combines durability, structure, and timeless style. The journey begins with selecting the right fibers. Traditional gabardine uses worsted wool, while modern versions include cotton and polyester blends.
The fiber choice directly affects the fabric's weight, texture, durability, and final cost.
Before spinning, the raw fibers are cleaned, opened, and prepared for yarn production. The fibers are then spun into fine, extremely strong yarns, using precision spinning technology. Tightly twisted yarn is essential for gabardine's signature smooth finish and long-lasting strength.
Every yarn cone is carefully prepared before entering the weaving department.
The most important stage is weaving, where gabardine's unique structure is created.
Gabardine is woven using a warp-faced twill structure. In this structure, warp yarns heavily outnumber the weft yarns.
The weaving process requires higher loom tension to maintain the fabric's dense construction.
The tightly packed threads give gabardine its remarkable durability and wind resistance. The famous diagonal ribs appear on the fabric surface at a steep angle. While the front shows sharp diagonal lines, the reverse side remains smooth and clean.
Precision weaving ensures consistent texture and strength across every meter of fabric. After weaving, the unfinished material is known as greige fabric. The next stage is dyeing, one of the most challenging steps in gabardine production.
Because gabardine is tightly woven, absorbing color evenly requires advanced dyeing technology.
Modern factories use specialized methods to achieve rich and long-lasting colors.
Gabardine is available in a wide variety of professional and fashion-oriented shades.
After dyeing, the fabric undergoes scouring to remove oils and impurities. High-pressure pressing creates gabardine's smooth and slightly lustrous appearance. This finishing process also improves the fabric's refined texture. To prevent future shrinkage, the fabric passes through sanforizing treatment. Dentering helps maintain dimensional stability and wrinkle resistance.
Many gabardine fabrics receive water-repellent coatings for outerwear applications. Additional finishes may improve wrinkle resistance and fabric performance.
Every roll then enters strict quality control inspection.
Advanced scanners identify weaving defects, stains, or broken yarns.
The material is tested for tensile strength and durability.
Color fastness tests ensure the fabric resists fading after wear and washing.
Dimensional stability tests confirm the fabric keeps its shape over time.
Once approved, the fabric is transformed into premium garments.
Gabardine is especially famous for sophisticated trench coats and formal wear.
Its sharp crease retention makes it ideal for professional clothing.
The dense weave also provides excellent wind resistance and durability.
From raw fibers to luxury fashion, gabardine fabric represents precision engineering, timeless elegance, and lasting performance.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.